Is your lawn looking uneven, ragged, or just plain tired? The problem might not be your mower, it could be your blades. Welcome to WholeToolBox, your trusted source for tools, parts, and repair know-how. Today we'll show you how to easily replace your Cub Cadet mower blades so you can achieve that perfect, clean-cut lawn every time. Mower blades are the unsung heroes of a healthy lawn. Dull or damaged blades tear grass instead of cutting it cleanly, leaving your yard looking rough and stressed. To keep your mower performing at its best, it's recommended to replace your blades at least once a year. At WholeToolBox.com, you'll find genuine Cub Cadet blades and replacement parts designed for long-lasting performance. When it's time to pick the right blade, start by locating your mower's parts list label, under the hood for walk-behind mowers or under the seat for zero turns. This label lists part numbers for blades and accessories, and most Cub Cadet blades have the number stamped right on them, making it easy to find the correct match. Deck size is another key factor. For example, if you own a 50-inch zero-turn mower, you'll need blades specifically designed for a 50-inch deck. If you're unsure whether a new blade will fit, measure your current one diagonally from tip to tip and compare it to the new one. Always check the center hole pattern too. It must match your mower's spindle or blade adapter for a secure fit. Finally, consider your mowing needs. High-lift blades are great for bagging. Mulching blades finely chop clippings to nourish your lawn, and low-lift blades work best in sandy or dusty conditions. Choosing the right blade ensures a cleaner cut, better performance, and a healthier lawn all season long. From tools to replacement parts, WholeToolBox has everything you need to keep your equipment running strong. Visit WholeToolBox.com to shop genuine Cub Cadet blades and accessories. Thanks for watching.